Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end this Wednesday. All four major indices ended up in the red, led by the small cap Russell 2000, which fell almost 1.5%. The Dow was lower by 1%. The NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500 each fell 0.75%. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, all 11 S&P 500 sectors were lower on the day. Energy, materials, and industrials were the biggest losers in the session. Now let's take a look at some stocks on the move. Dick's Sporting Goods reached a new all-time high after its first quarter earnings beat street estimates on both the top and bottom line. The company also raised its guidance for the full year. In response, Bank of America upgraded the stock to buy from neutral and lifted its price target to $240 from $225. Dick's Sporting Goods shares are up more than 50% so far this year. Abercrombie Fitch continued its meteoric rise to a new all-time high after its earnings report. The company posted sales growth of 22% and comp sales growth of 21%, resulting in the highest first quarter net sales in company history. It also increased its full-year outlook for net sales growth of around 10%. Salesforce is selling off, though, after its earnings report. The company reported mixed earnings and trimmed its quarterly subscription revenue guidance, which sent shares sliding. Saw revenue growth of 11% in the quarter. CEO Mark Benioff said they're in the beginning of a massive opportunity for customers to connect with their customers in a whole new way with AI. Let's take a look at what to watch for on Thursday now. On the economic data front, we'll get GDP and jobless claims. For earnings in the morning, we'll get reports from Foot Locker, Dollar General, Kohl's, and Best Buy. And then after the bell, we'll hear from Costco, Dell, Zscaler, MongoDB, and Marvell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.